So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some Christmas gifting ideas for kids. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful and useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas gifting ideas. On Christmas, we are very worried and confused what kind of gift we can present to kids. So here are such kind of ideas you can present them, such kind of bags, some kind of puzzles, some kinds of gift boxes, some snack box, some kind of color box, some kind of chocolates that will be attracted by the kids and they will love it. So guys, if you like these kind of decoration ideas, that you can take the screenshot of it. Otherwise, you can also download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Please subscribe for more videos.